In this video, I'll show you how to use Claude AI for meeting notes. This is a quick way to organize discussions and capture key points from meetings. To begin, I'll make sure I'm already logged into my Claude account and on the main Claude screen. Next, I'll click inside the message box in the center of the screen, where Claude asks, "How can I help you today?" Now I'll paste my meeting notes or transcript into the message box. After that, I'll type a prompt asking Claude to organize the notes. For example, I might type, "Summarize these meeting notes and list key action items." Then I'll click the send button. Claude will analyze the content and generate organized meeting notes, including summaries, key points, and action items. If I want a more structured format, I can ask Claude to separate the notes into sections like agenda, discussion points, and next steps. Claude can also help simplify the content or highlight important decisions made during the meeting. Once the notes are ready, I can copy or download the content and use it for documentation or sharing with my team. And that's it. I've successfully used Claude AI to create meeting notes. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick AI tutorials and guides.